The rumor mill is stirring with talk of the S24 Ultra, bringing a new era of OLED screens with a peak brightness of 2500 nits, 750 nits brighter than its predecessor, the S23 Ultra model. What's up, fans? In the video today, we're talking about the next big thing in the smartphone world, the Galaxy S24 Ultra from Samsung. We will explore everything there is to know about the OLED screen that is grabbing attention. But before that, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell to know when I upload another video. The S24 Ultra is expected to bring OLED screen technology to the next level with its rumored brightness of 2500 nits. The display is expected to be a huge upgrade from the Galaxy S23 Ultra, and if we go by just brightness numbers, it would still be 100 nits lower than the display used in the Xiaomi 13 Ultra, which can reach 2600 nits peak brightness. This upgrade is outstanding as it means that the screen will be easy to read even under direct sunlight and will provide an enhanced and immersive viewing experience. As Samsung S24 Ultra is expected to feature a dynamic AMOLED 2x display with a QHD plus resolution of 3120 x 1440 pixels, a 19.59 aspect ratio, and a 2500 nits peak brightness. Samsung display may be made of an M13 panel that has been rumored for a few months now. Earlier this year, the South Korean firm showcased the UDR 2000 display with a peak brightness of up to 2000 nits. But the OLED panel that is rumored to be used in the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra would be even better. This technology improvement will produce richer colors and deepest blacks and provide a vivid, eye-catching display. Likely with the Galaxy, Samsung S24 Ultra will have a better camera performance as it will allow for a more accurate display of colors and details. With better color manifestation and contrast, the user will have a more accurate insight into what they are capturing. The display of the S24 Ultra will also showcase colors in great depth and resolution, making it ideal for photography enthusiasts. Also, Samsung not only upgraded its OLED screen, but also has a titanium body, an upgraded telephoto camera, 50MP with 3x optical zoom, a faster processor that is Exynos 2400 or Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, more RAM up to 16GB, and two-way satellite connectivity for emergencies. It is expected to use the same S Pen, 5000 mAh battery, and 45W fast charging. All these features combined with a bright and enhanced OLED screen make it a powerhouse of a smartphone. Okay, guys, that's all the info we have about the S24 Ultra's OLED screen at this time. We're excited to see how this phone changes the game in the world of OLED screens, and we can't wait to get our hands on it when it releases early next year. What do you think about the new OLED technology used in the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra? Let us know your thoughts in the comments section below.